Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's next?
What else do you want to say to Papa? What else do you want to say to him?
I don't know.
Well, if Papa was here, what would you say to Papa?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know what you would say to Papa if he could be here?
No.
Would you give him a hug? So give him a hug. Pretend he's here. What else would you do?
I'll kiss him.
Give him kisses. What else would you do?
I'll wrap a present up for him.
You would wrap a present up for him? Tell Papa you love him.
I love you, Papa.
Turn around. Are you wrapping him a present? There's his present. You miss him? Tell him you miss him.
I miss you, Papa.
What else do you want to say to him?
That your house is decorated.
What else would you say?